In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a Word document in eLove PDF. First, we will convert the Word document to a PDF using the Word to PDF tool. To do this, navigate to the eLove PDF website. Once there, you will find the Word to PDF option prominently displayed. Click on it and a new window will open. Here you will see an option to upload your Word document. Select the file you wish to convert from your device. This step is crucial because eLove PDF handles PDF files much more easily than Word documents. After uploading, click the Convert to PDF button. Wait a moment as the conversion takes place. Once completed, you will see a prompt to download your newly created PDF. Be sure to download it so you can use it in the next step. With your PDF ready, the next action is to open the Split PDF tool. On the eLove PDF homepage, look for the Split PDF option. You will find it in the same area as the other tools. Click on it and you will be directed to a new page designed specifically for splitting PDFs. This tool is essential because it allows you to manipulate your document as needed. It gives you the ability to break it down into smaller, more manageable files. Now that you have the Split PDF tool open, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Now it's time to upload the converted PDF. Click on the Upload button on the Split PDF page to begin. A File Explorer window will appear, prompting you to select the PDF file you just created. Choose your file and confirm the upload. This step is important as it allows the tool to access the content you want to split. After a brief moment, you should see a preview of the uploaded PDF. This confirmation gives you assurance that you are working with the correct document. Next, choose how you want to split it. You will notice several options on the screen. First, you can split by page ranges. This means you can specify a range like pages 1 through 5 or 6 through 10. Alternatively, you may opt to extract specific pages. This allows you to pull out only the pages you need. Finally, you can also split the document into fixed page ranges, such as every 2 or 5 pages. Each option serves different needs, so select the one that fits your requirements best. This flexibility is key for tailoring your document to your specific needs. Once you have made your selection, click the Split PDF button. This action initiates the splitting process. You will see a progress bar indicating that the tool is working. This step ensures that your document is processed according to your selected parameters. It may take just a few moments, but once it's done, you will receive a notification that the splitting is complete. Finally, download the resulting PDF files. You will be presented with the option to download each split file. Click on the download buttons next to each file to save them to your device. This is the final step in the process, and it ensures that you have your newly split documents readily available. You can now use these files as needed for your projects or presentations. And that's it. You have successfully split a Word document using eLove PDF.